Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is arranging 5-digit numbers in ascending order. Example 1. Write the given number in ascending order. The number is 36,719, 36,952, 35,418, 43,709, 45,187. I believe that you all know the method of arranging the number in ascending order very well, but still I am going to refresh it once again. First, we have to compare the numbers in the highest place. Now we can observe here that all the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So by default, the highest place is of 10,000s. Saying directly, we have to compare the numbers in 10,000s place. Comparing the numbers in 10,000s place, we get 3, 4 and 4. So we know that between 3 and 4, 4 is greatest, 3 is smallest. Now what I mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So here we have to find out the smaller numbers first. We have to write the smaller numbers first and then we have to go to the greater number. So between 3 and 4, 3 is smaller. Let us see only these 3 numbers. So here 10,000s are same. If the 10,000s are same, we have to compare the digits in thousands place. Here we have 6 in thousands place, 6 in thousands place and 5 in thousands place. That means this is the smallest number. Let us write this number first. Now let us compare the remaining numbers. Comparing these two, thousands are same. When 10,000s were same, we compared thousands. Now when thousands also are same, we have to compare the number in the hundreds place. We have 7 here in hundreds place and 9 here in hundreds place. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So we have to write the smallest number first. 7 is smaller than 9. So this number comes first. So we have already written this and this number. We are left with this. So this comes the third. Comparing the other two numbers, if we see 10,000s are same, thousands are different, 3 and 5. We have to write the smaller number first. So this we have to write first and this we have to write next. So this is the ascending order of the number. Let us now see another example. 32,894, 38,294, 84,350, 75,600, 53,000. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. We already know ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. According to the method, let us compare the highest places. All are 5-digit numbers. So highest place is of 10,000s. Let us underline 10,000s and see. We have 33875. That means 3 is smaller than other 3 numbers. Now let us compare these two numbers to find out the smallest number. Since 10,000s is same, we have to compare thousands place. We have 2 here in thousands place, 8 here in thousands place. Like that, if we compare, we come to know that this is the smallest number. This number comes first. So this is automatically the second number. Now we are left with the other three numbers. Let us compare these three. Since the 10,000s are different, we can directly write after this 5 is the smallest number. So we can say that this comes third. Then we have 7, 4 and last comes 8. Now arranging the numbers accordingly, we get the ascending order. Okay, now let us arrange the numbers. First I have put the number, we can directly copy now. 32,894. Next is 38,294. Third number is 53,000. Fourth number is 75,600. And the last number is 84,350. So this is the ascending order of the given number. Let us now solve Roman number 8. Write the following numbers in increasing order, which is the other name for ascending order. Increasing order and ascending order both mean the same. First question, 30,435, 70,533, 20,411 and 40,623. Now let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. Let us compare the numbers. First we have to compare the highest place or 10,000th place. We have 3, 7, 2 and 4. Out of 3, 7, 2 and 4, we know that 2 is the smallest. Next, 3, 7 and 4, 3 is the smallest. Out of 7 and 4, 4 is the smallest, and at the end it is 7. So as per the numbers, let us arrange the numbers and write them in ascending order. We can see clearly 20,411 is the first number. Second is 30,435. Third number is 40,623 and last one is 70,533. Second question, 44,444, 44,044, 40,444 and 40,044. Oh my God, that number looks so confusing, isn't it? But it is not so confusing. Let us follow the method and make it easier. Will you tell me what is the method? What is the first step? Good. We have to compare the highest place, or we have to compare 10,000th place. If we see 10,000th place, in all the 4 numbers, 10,000s are same. What shall we do when 10,000s are same? Good. We have to compare thousands place. Now here in thousands place we have 4. Here we have 4. Here we have 0. And here we have 0. Now we can conclude that 0 is smaller than 4. So now let us see the number with the 0 in thousands place. We have 2 numbers again with 0 in thousands place. In that case, what shall we do? When thousands are same, compare hundreds. Good. So compare hundreds. We have 4 hundreds and 0 hundreds. Both are different, no? We have 4 and 0. When you compare 4 and 0, which is smaller? 0 is smaller. That means this number is the smallest. So first we have to write this number and then we have to write this number. Correct? Yes. We are left with the 2 numbers where thousands are same. Here also same thing. We have to compare hundreds. 4 hundreds 0 hundreds. Now you came to know which is the smaller number, correct? Which is the smaller number between these two? With the 0 in hundreds place. So first and second, so this gets 3 number. And this is the last one. Now by looking at the numbers, let us write them in ascending order. First let us write this number 40,044. Second is 40,444. Third is 44,044. Fourth is 44,444. Now if you observe this number, it is in ascending order. Let us now go to the third problem. 63,841, 63,481, 63,148, 63,184. Now I want you to solve it along with me. So let us follow the method. Compare the numbers in 10,000s place. We have 6, 6, 6, 6. It is same. What to do? Go to thousands place. Compare the numbers in thousands place. We have 3, 3, 3, 3. Again it is same. When 10,000s and thousands are same, we have to compare the numbers in hundreds place. Let us compare. We have 8, 4, 1 and 1. 8, 4, 1 and 1. We all know that 1 is the smallest number. So between these two numbers, now we have to find the smallest number again. So hundreds are same. Compare tens. We have 4 here in tens place and 8 here in tens place. Comparing 4 and 8, 4 is smaller than 8. So this number comes first, this number comes next. We are left with two numbers. Here only 8 and 4 are different and 4 is smaller than 8. So second is already over. 4, this comes third and this comes fourth. Let us look at the numbers and arrange them in ascending order. First one 63,148. Second 63,184. Third one 63,481 and last is 63,841. Fourth question 50,060, 50,500, 55,000 and 50,006. Here again we can see the numbers are same here and there. Let us follow the method. Compare 10,000s place. Comparing 10,000s place give us the same number everywhere. So we have to go to thousands place. Here we have 0, 0, 5 and 0. So 0 and 5. 0 is smaller than 5. We have 3 numbers with the 0 in thousands place. So among these 3 we have to compare again. When thousands and 10,000s are same, we have to compare hundreds. 0 hundreds, 5 hundreds, 0 hundreds. Again 2 numbers, zeros are same. What to do? Compare tens. We have 6 in tens place and 0 in tens place. Among 0 and 6, 0 is small. This number comes first, this number comes second. Over. Now we are left with this number. So this is by default third and this is the fourth number. When we do it this way, it will be still more easier for us to arrange the number in ascending the order. Now let us see the numbers and arrange it in ascending order. First was 50,006. Second comes 50,060. Third number 50,500. And last is 55,000. And this is the ascending order. You can separate the numbers using comma. Now let us go to the fifth question. Last problem. 20,325, 20,825, 20,302, 20,413. Compare the numbers in 10,000s place. We can clearly see that the numbers in 10,000s and thousands place is same. So let us directly compare the numbers in hundreds place. If we see hundreds, we have 3, 8, 3, 4. We know that 3 is smaller than 8 and 4. So this and this, between these two, one number should come first, which is that here both the numbers, I can circle it, hundreds are same. So we have to compare tens. We have 2 tens here and 0 tens here. Comparing 2 and 0, 0 is smaller. This is the first number. This is the second number. 2 numbers are over. Now we are left with this and this. We have already underlined 8 and 4. Between 8 and 4, we know that 4 is smaller. So 1 and 2 we have used. This is 3. 4 is smaller. Last comes 8. With the help of the numbers, arrange this in ascending order. Children, now tell me what is the ascending order. First comes 20,302. Second is 20,325. Third one is 20,413. And last one is 20,825. So this is the ascending order of the given number.